In this new Excel tutorial, I will guide you how to enter 17-digit number in Excel. So if you enter a 17-digit number as a standard number, Excel will automatically change any digits beyond the 15th place to 0, like this one. So to enter the all digits accurately, you must treat the number as text. So in the first method, head to the home and click on the number, this arrow, and go to the customs. And here instead you need to remove general to 0 and click OK. And now type the 17 digits and hit enter. And here you can see that. Another way is to type a single apostrophe before the number. So here's the apostrophe and type the number. And hit enter. You may see a small green triangle in the corner of the cell warning you that a number is stored as a text. So you can ignore this or click ignore error in the drop down as well. So keep in mind you cannot perform standard math like addition on these numbers. So they are treated as label, for example credit card numbers or IDs number. Another way is that you can also pre-formatting column. Select the column and head to the home and click on this number group, click on this small arrow and click on this text and click OK. And now type the 17 digits and hit enter. So this is the another way. So with these methods you can easily enter 17 digits number in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.